Hello everyone and welcome to another new video, and today we're going to talk about the Binance Launchpad, the launch of the Alpine or Alpine, if you call it, the F1 Team Fan Token. Now before I can share with you the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you're following me on Telegram, because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So please join the Telegram group. And last and important thing is the disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. As such, I request you to kindly do your own due diligence before you make any investments. So basically, Binance is launching on its launch pad. We have a timer over here, so it will be more easy. The F1 team token, the Alpine F1 Team Fan Token, and it's starting from today. We have 4 days left. So let's go and understand the details, the tokenomics of this particular fan token. So this is the 27th project which is going to be launched on the Binance Launchpad, and Binance will be starting recording the BNB balances from 16th, that is today, until the 21st of Feb. So make sure that you are having your Binance ready in your spot wallet. So for those users who have never participated in any launchpad earlier, you just need to uh, keep Binance, that's BNB, into your spot wallet, and based on the time frame which I'm going to show you in the next page, Binance will automatically calculate the number of tokens which are eligible for, and then you need to commit it. And finally, on the day of the launchpad, you would get an opportunity to buy before the crowd. So the dates we know. Let's talk about the tokenomics over here. The hard cap is as you can see over here, it's 4 million. The hard cap per user is 10,000 USD. Total supply token is it's around I saw most of the time we get confusion between converting it to the in India we use lakhs instead of millions, and also sometimes there is always confusion, as you can say. So you have 40 million Alpine over here, the total supply. The total tokens allocated to the Binance Launchpad is 4 million. That's 10% of the total supply. And public sale token price would be 1 USD. So one token will be equal to 1 USB. Price in BNB will be determined prior to the subscription. Token format is subscription only, and supported would be BNB only. Preparation time, as I told you, is effect from today until 21st. So during this period, a snapshot will be taken on an hourly basis to see your holdings of BNB. So if you don't have BNB, you have time to start accumulating BNB in your spot wallet. And then the subscription period, which is from the 21st 6 a.m. UTC until 21st 9 a.m. UTC. And post this, during the there'll be a 3-hour period wherein you would need to lock your BNBs, and once it is done, calculation period would follow that on the same day, and your allocation would be done, and finally you would be distributed your tokens. So here is I'm going to share this. Don't worry if you have not heard me out properly, or anywhere my pronunciations etc have been not clear, and I'm going to be sharing this link in the description. So if you need to know, I don't think Alpine F1 team needs any introduction, especially to the F1 fans. But we have the timeline over here. You can see over here right now we have 4 days, close to 5 days in fact, for the BNB holding and calculation period. Once this period is done, you would be able to buy based on your allocation. Make sure your KYC verified. The subscription period, as mentioned earlier, would be seen over here, and this will keep on changing on the day of the launch. So still anyone needs to know a bit of about the Alpine F1 team, you can always go in the description over here and learn about the same. So I hope that you like this short video, And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. So until the next video, take care and be safe.